ऐसा मकतब भी कोई शहर में खोले ना सर, ऐसा मकतब भी कोई शहर में खोले ना सर, आदमी को जहाँ इंसान बनाया जाए. Respected presidents, kind judges and teachers, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sudais Ahmad. I am from grade 9A. Very good morning to all of you. Today I am here to present my speech on the topic humanity. The most important religion is humanity. Humanity can simply be defined as the quality of being human. It is the peculiar nature of man by which he is being distinguished from other beings. Humanity means helping and caring for others amongst so many species. Humans have the capacity to show love and care and to help others. Humanity means forgetting your own interest when someone needs your assistance. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the perfect example who teaches about humanity. Rahmatul Alameen sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Only human beings have the power to comprehend humanity. We don't need a lot to help support humanitarian task. Giving a glass of water to a thirsty man or helping someone to cross the road is also a humanitarian task. Humanitarian activity should not be done for fame or for a reward in return. It should be done as a part of our nature and duty. When we perform such activities, we get inner peace and blessing from the person who we help. Every religion teaches humanity, and there is no religion above humanity. This is the reason we often hear people saying that humanity is their religion. We should offer people our assistance irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and region. Being human is our first identity, so we must comprehend humanity in our day-to-day lives, as it is the reason behind our existence. Thank you everyone for listening.